guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take down all of my 4th of July decorations that I had out this weekend. We hosted a party here at our house, so I kind of went all out this year for 4th of July, which I don't normally do, but it was really fun. But now I'm really wanting a clean slate, a very neutral and calm color palette, very black and white, modern farmhouse feel. So if you guys want some inspiration on how to decorate in between seasons, then definitely stay tuned. I wanted to keep it really neutral because I know fall is right around the corner and we're going to be decorating for that very soon, probably mid to the end of August, and I'm going to have lots of colors for fall, so I wanted to keep it really neutral and simple for the rest of July. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm just going to go around the house, take down all of the 4th of July decorations, all of my flags and stuff, and then I will put my neutral decor out. So I'll let you guys know where everything is from, but if you guys have any questions about anything that you see, make sure to leave me a comment down below. I will try to read all of them and respond as quickly as I can, and I'll let you know where anything is from. So make sure you like this video if you like the clean and decorate style videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm starting out today's video by taking down all of the 4th of July decor. I have it kind of spread out throughout my entire house in the main living areas, so mainly the dining room and kitchen, but there were a few things in the living room as well. So I'm going to get everything taken down and then we will start to redecorate.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive.
An easy way to change up your decor is to switch out your hand towels. This one on the blanket ladder is from Hobby Lobby, and the striped one is from a local boutique.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I also like to decorate with these stacked books from Ashley's Homestead over on Etsy. She makes all kinds of different styles. This one was for 4th of July, but if you wanted to get your names on it as well, you can do that. They are so cute. So I will have her Etsy shop linked down below in the description, and also a coupon code if you guys want to get a stack of books for yourself. But now I'm just going to go ahead and take off everything for the table and get out some neutral decor. I like storing all of my table stuff in my hutch right here in the dining room. It is so handy to have it accessible and just ready to go, so I've been loving that for storage.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna nothing can break me.
Now that everything is off of the hutch and wiped down, I'm going to redecorate with really neutral pieces. So I wanted to keep this very fresh and bright, so I'm just doing whites and blacks and pops of greenery for a little bit of color and that summery feel.
Don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard.
When decorating a hutch, I like to keep things in groupings or kind of pairs. If you can see, I have like little sections of decor all like grouped together, and that's just how I like to do it, but it has taken me some time to get used to styling a hutch. So if you have a hutch, let me know some of your favorite ways to decorate it.
It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. So hard.
Now that the table is wiped down, I'm going to start fresh. I've got this runner that is from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and I have used this thing so much. I love how neutral it is, and it just works great with any season, honestly. And then I also have these placemats from Walmart, but I thought it was a little bit too much with the runner, so I decided not to use them. Instead, I'm going to use some linen napkins with my place settings. So I just have a jute placemat from Hobby Lobby, and then these white linen napkins are from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and then I just have my plates stacked on there as well. So the plates are from Macy's, and we got them as a wedding gift almost 4 years ago, so it's been a long time since they've had them. I'm not sure if they even still have them. Last time I checked, I couldn't find them. So I do have similar options though linked to my Amazon store. So if you guys want plates that are similar looking, go check out that link in my description box. But I'm just going to place the linen napkin in between the two plates, and then I'm going to put something fun on top. A couple weeks ago, I went to a vintage market store, and they had all of these cute little cloches. Oh my goodness. They had so much inspo as far as like vintage farmhouse feel or antique farmhouse, which I'm really loving lately. Even a little bit of a cottage style as well. So in the Cozy White Cottage book by Liz Marie Galvin, she talks about these a lot. And I thought it would be really fun to have them on each plate at the setting of the table. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I just added this little boho like wicker lamp that I got from Home Goods for a little bit more modern boho feel.
This moment can always stay here forever, 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 forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
Moving into the living room, I'm just straightening up the pillows and blanket, and then I also wanted to show you guys this beautiful wooden beaded tassel from Decor Azul Handmade. She has an Instagram account and also an Etsy shop as well. I love to shop small, so I wanted to share those with you guys because they are new pieces, but how beautiful is this with my little tray? I feel like it really makes it. I needed something there to fill in the space, and I love how this looks. Alright, here's how the living room is looking currently. I've switched things around. If you haven't seen the last couple videos, I moved my couch over to this part of our living room and I'm loving it. It's so cozy and just fits in the nook really well. So we are loving that, but I love doing neutral colors and then pops of browns for warmth and texture. And I also wanted to mention this new sign that we got from the Farmhouse Sign Co. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with it. I think it's beautiful. I love that it was personalized and it's so pretty. It's kind of rusty feeling, very unique. So I really wanted a statement piece for this wall and I feel like this just does it for me. So if you guys are interested in getting a Farmhouse sign for yourself, I will have their website and a coupon code linked down below.
Forever, forever.
Alright, here's an overview of how the space turned out in my dining room and the hutch area. This is always one of my favorite places to decorate. I don't know why, it just seems so cozy and I just feel like there's a lot of different ways you could decorate in here. So one thing new that I did add was some greenery on our chandelier in the dining room, and I think it really pulls the eye up and I'm loving the vibe that it gives. But just simple little touches like that I feel like make the biggest difference. So let me know if you guys decorate in between seasons and what your style is. If you like the cottage feel or beach house, or if you like the farmhouse, or even if you like just modern. I like a variety of things, I feel like, but I definitely am swaying towards the modern farmhouse within the last year or so. So follow me over on Instagram if you guys want some more house decorating inspiration. I post over there all the time. We're always doing stuff, so I also post a lot of my video sneak peeks over there on Instagram as well. So it's a fun way to connect just a little bit more. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for being here. It really means so much to me that you guys show up and watch my videos and comment, and that we can have that relationship. Like, this is truly a dream come true to be doing YouTube and to have this community. You guys are awesome, and it's so fun. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here. You guys are the best.
But I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching?
Alright, last but not least, I'm going to grab my 4th of July tote and start putting my decorations away so they will be ready to go for next year. So I'm just wrapping up my mug. I went ahead and put that in the Decor tote as well. That way it didn't take up any counter space. And then little items I put in a Ziploc baggie. And that's about it. I'm going to put it on a shelf in our garage. That's where I store all of my home decorations that are seasonal, and I don't keep them inside.
Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like?
moving on to the kitchen area, and this is the last place that I will show the finished product, but I did rearrange my floating shelves in here, as well as my tiered tray and switching out the hand towels. So I thought I would show you guys an overview, but this is what the kitchen currently looks like. It's very relaxing to me in here. I love having just very neutral colors. I've also been loving this Gather at Home cookbook by Monica Hibbs. Oh my goodness, so neat. If you guys like hosting and party planning and making like the everyday really special, definitely recommend this cookbook slash DIY book slash recipe. It's so good, so good. So I'll have that link down below as well. But as far as the rest of the decor, I keep everything pretty much out year round. I just add to it for the seasons. But this wall over here is one of my absolute favorites. This big kitchen conversion sign is from a small shop called House and Home. You guys have heard me talk about Sky and her shop all the time, so she's about to restock that kitchen conversion sign, so stay tuned. I will let you guys know when it is back in stock. It's one of my favorites. So I also recently got this big grocery sign from Home Goods that I hung above the shelves, and I also put my Ray Dunn canisters on the shelves, that way they were off of the countertops, and I love it. So this is what the shelves are looking like. I just did some small groupings, kind of like the hutch. That's my inspiration, and try to keep it really simple and really neutral. And then I also always have a tiered tray on my countertops with a couple Ray Dunn pieces, a candle, and different things. So that's what everything is looking like in the kitchen. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I redecorated my home after the 4th of July. If you did, make sure to like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.